new Roomba Max 705 combo does not mop. It passes a roller that rotates 200 times per minute and cleans itself in real time. The Roomba Max 705 combo is a versatile robot vacuum designed for sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping, featuring innovative cleaning technology. Its standout feature is the PowerSpin roller mop, which rotates 200 times per minute and self-cleans in real time with fresh, hot water. Dirty water is collected, and a small scoop enhances the mop's absorbency as it cleans. While lacking telescopic side brushes, the robot's roller mop can extend to reach corners and edges effectively. A retractable protective cover automatically deploys under the mop to prevent wetting carpets. This system mirrors the design seen in Dreame's Aqua 10 Ultra Roller. For navigation, iRobot has integrated the LiDAR system internally, allowing the Roomba Max 705 combo to create 3D maps of your home for intelligent navigation, automatically name rooms, and operate in the dark. A front-facing camera enhances its capabilities by recognizing obstacles like cables, socks, pet waste, and differentiating between wet and dry dirt. The auto-wash base provides up to 75 days of hands-free operation, including automatic dirt disposal, water refilling, and self-cleaning. Crucially, the base also cleans the roller mop using 72 degrees Celsius water and dries it with 50 degrees Celsius air, ensuring optimal hygiene and readiness for the next cleaning cycle.